Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about the myth that your vehicle needs to be serviced at the new car dealer when you purchase a new vehicle for warranty purposes. To be honest with you, nothing could be further from the truth. The Magnusson Moss Act of 1974 states that a consumer can have their vehicle serviced any place for maintenance services that are not covered by a new car dealer. So in other words, anything from oil changes to replacing air filters, fluids, brake components, anything that's a wearable item that is not covered under a new car warranty as far as broken items, etc., can be serviced at any facility. Most people are in the misconceptions they need to take their vehicle back to the new car dealer for service, and nothing could be further from the truth. I recommend that you check out AutoCareorg, which is an awesome website. It's helps people make a determination on servicing items on their vehicle for the aftermarket. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group, and we're here to help you when it comes to servicing your vehicle properly and keeping your warranty in tune. You can check us out at westautomotivegroup.com.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.